Open it a little bit so I can. So, and this is glue that expands. So it sets out. So now you can close it. Put the clamp on. And then it's dry. 50 minutes to 30 minutes you can continue. Favorite supply, I tried a few new.
So we are going to make 180 dovels, and we are making them from wood. This is my first one, and we are just doing it like wood.
This can go loose.
So I just bought these X's here, this pile, at this really nice markets.
Oh my god, Mama!
Oh my god, we were just driving here and I spotted this bookshop and I really want to go here, so we're just gonna visit the bookshop. It's not the bookshop I thought it would be. So now we've got 30 minutes to just walk around here in this village, and we're going to look at all these secondhand clothes shops. I'm just trying to find some nice clothing. Look at this.
So how much is one shirt?
One shirt is 125.
120.
What's happening here? Woo!
En ga niet in het modderstroom. Je staat wel in de firing zone. Ja. Verder insturen.
Is dat misschien ook wel van? Iemand bereiken.
Nou, in ieder geval, alle leeuwen weten nu dat we hier zijn.
Maar echt, die gaan ook niet zien, die laten zichzelf niet zien.
So we wanted to visit some waterfalls, but the car got stuck in the mud, so now we're going to walk to the waterfalls. Whoa, this is just some black stone.
Looks like asphalt.
Yeah, it looks like.